this.
Let me ask you a presidential question about Merrick Garland, put forward by the president for the Supreme Court. This could be a decision you have to handle. What's your feeling about the way that your Republican colleagues have responded to that nomination from the president?
Well, look, I never thought the president should send it because I knew nothing was going to happen. I mean, frankly, they probably ought to all sit down and meet with the guy. And my feeling is, at the end of the day, whoever gets elected president should be in a position to be able to pick, who they want, and the American people will decide by either voting for Republican or Democrat what the makeup of the court is. I just think that's a process that can unite us, rather than a process that right now continues to divide us.
As someone who's talked about unity, would you take a look at Mr. Garland and if you were elected president?
Well, he received, overwhelming support, I think, even from Senator Hatch. So, of course, we'd think about it. The way we do it, John, is we look at a person's record. I want a conservative who's not going to make the law, but who will interpret the law, and somebody of high standing. I don't care about their peccadillos, 30 years ago. But yeah, we have a process. I've appointed over 100 judges in Ohio, including a woman that fortunately I was able to appoint to the Ohio Supreme Court, and we've had good success with our selections.
All right, Governor John Kasich of Ohio, thanks so much for being with us. After we taped that interview yesterday, Governor Kasich said that he would not appoint Judge Garland to the Supreme Court and that his comments were an effort to be polite.